What's going on, guys? Welcome back to MarineMax here in St. Pete, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South. We are standing right here on the 23 Sea Ray SPX. Come on in, take a closer look. Just did the video on the 21 SPX. This is the 23, and you'll notice some slight variations. Definitely a lot more space in the 23 here. This particular boat comes with a 3-port lounger. Just pop this up. You can either put it right there, or you can lay it down for a sun pad. This particular boat comes with the Infinity woven vinyl flooring. And what's cool about this is if you're gonna have a big party, maybe taking a sunset cruise with some wine, don't worry about spilling anything. Just take your flooring off, no big deal. When you bump up to the 23 version of the Sea Ray SPX line, you get this nice little family feature. If anybody has to go to the bathroom, no big deal. With the upgraded Fusion radio and the upgraded Simrad navigation system and plenty of storage, what's there more to like? The Sea Ray 23 SPX has all the features that you want. It's got all the spacing that you want. Come on down, MarineMax St. Pete. We'll get you and your family on the water. See you here soon.